Histone 3, lysine 14, acetylation is generally expected to lead to histone assembly on the promoter and recruitment of mediators, activation of a DNA damage checkpoint, and DNA repair. Gene silencing by hiding promoter of constitutive genes, gene imprinting, and inheritance to next generation. Histone H3 lysine 14 acetylation. This is related to generally gene expression and DNA repair. Yes, acetylation on the lysine 14. So second one is the answer. Activation of DNA damage checkpoint and DNA repair. During protein synthesis in E. coli, the initiating methionine AUG and the internal methionine AUG codons of a given mRNA are distinguished by formal methionine tRNA and methionine tRNA respectively. F-tRNA IF2 versus tRNA EFTU respectively. Formal tRNA 30S ribosome subunit versus methyl methionine tRNA and 50S subunit respectively. IF2 versus formal methionine tRNA F2 EFTU respectively. During protein synthesis in E. coli, initiating methionine and internal methionine codon of a given mRNA are distinguished. And this is the answer. Due to this formal methionine and IF2 versus methionine EF2. This is for internal methionine and this is for this initiating codon. Others, this is not, this is for initiating formal methionine. So next one is in the internal, it's normal methionine, it's not formulated, and these are before initiating this 30S and 50S subunit. And this is not for internal, this is at an initiating point, and this cannot distinguish between this initiating and internal methionine codons. Okay, and this is for initiating this factor IF2 factor, and for next methionine internal methionine codons, this is elongation factor and normal methionine tRNA. Okay, protein synthesis in prokaryotes. This is initiation factor and this is elongation factor, so it is internal. Okay, some error occur during DNA replication and that are not corrected by proofreading. Activity of DNA polymerase. Okay, and these are corrected by specialized mismatch repair pathway. Which of the following proteins are involved in mismatch? Yeah, this is mutase, mutal, and mutach. Okay, this is the answer. Second one.